Working on a Mazda 3 today with a kind of a funky dent in the door. Mostly outwardly dented metal again. Buckles, you can see where the line, it pinches together right there. Let's see if we can get a straight on view. Just really wobbly. Someone either leaned against it or someone slowly backed their car into it or something, but anyways, we'll get this fixed up. Mostly tapping from the outside of the vehicle. Some pushing from the backside, I'm sure. But that's what we're tackling today. All right, just finish up the Mazda 3 here. See if we can get a better reflection off these the ground and trees. Came out really nice, in my opinion. No more waves, no more little ripples. All right, another finished dent. Every dent is different, as you can see if you follow my YouTube page, and here's just an example of another kind of repair we can do. Thank you for watching.